friends, welcome back to your channel Bowerspace. Hope you all are doing good. In my previous video, I had shared with you some of my early morning routine tips that I follow very ritually to kickstart my day. So in today's video, let me just focus on how I speed clean my kitchen and let me give you a few of the tips. Friends, however, if you have some points to add on to what I discussed, please feel free to mention it in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Please feel free to share your pictures with me so that I feel motivated and I can share it in the community section so that others get motivated as well. Thanks a lot for watching. Let's continue.
So on any busy day, this is typically the amount of mess that I have to deal with. Now, it may differ from family to family depending on what and how much is being done. So I typically take about 20 minutes to clean this up. Let me show you the quick steps that can help you also for an easy speed clean and something that will take just about that much amount of time to do the cleanup on an everyday basis. So friends, step 1 is to clean up the ugliest and the smelliest part, the wet waste that comes out of cutting and peeling. And also I end up freeing up a large part of my small countertop. Well, did you notice the amount of space that got freed up just now? Now, as the next step, keep away all the excess items that you ended up pulling out from your fridge and the cabinets. Let's now move over to step 3. You must have experienced as a step 3, if you take off the used vessels, chopping boards, etc., it will clear off the remaining 50% of your kitchen countertop space. Well friends, it's not necessary and totally up to you, but emptying out the bigger cookware and transferring to smaller containers will not only free up your space on the countertop, but it will also help you speeden up the process of cleaning up all these utensils. Well, now that most of the things are out of your countertop, take a look around to check if you have left out anything behind, and it's time to keep them back. Now, if you do not have the time to wash it off, at least clean the countertop with the help of a wet cloth. Now, before you start washing up, try to keep the dryer stands and the dishwasher emptied up and ready to use. Now, I suggest that you soak up the vessels before washing. You'll not only save a lot of water, but also some time and effort. And friends, for me, this is also the time when I take a little break to enjoy that really nice hot cup of coffee. So here's your first step. Try to dilute liquid soap before using. You'll consume less soap for a more effective cleanup. And that's exactly what you need to do a speed clean. My next bonus tip is not really a speed clean tip, but it's a good to know thing. Bonus tip 2. Try not to put the non-stick cookware in a dishwasher. Try to do it with your own hands. If so necessary, you can use the cold cleaning mode in your dishwasher to wash these utensils. For the ones that can go into the dishwasher, try to keep them immediately into the dishwasher ready for use. And the bonus tip here is, if your dishwasher isn't full and if you can wait for putting more utensils, you can put them all together at the same time. Now here's another bonus tip. If you clean bottles or oil cans with warm or lukewarm water, your cleaning up process will really speeden up. It will save a lot more of your time. Now that we are done with the vessels, it's time to quickly clean the sink and the area around it. Now you can try to save the time to clean the cooktop by using disinfectant wipes that are meant for kitchen cleaning. You could use a tissue paper or a dry cloth to mop off the wet surface. Done with a 5-step cleaning. Now if you want, you can keep back all the washed and the dried up utensils back in the place. That's your choice if you have the time to do that. So friends, these are the 5 steps that I follow every day as a morning routine to keep my kitchen spick, span and organized in no time and being free of mind for the rest of the day. I really hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to put in your comments, and the links to all these amazing products that you see here are in the description box below. So friends, until the next time, stay organized, stay productive, stay happy. Bye bye.